Breaking news to get to tonight, a hazmat situation unfolding in Labelle. The Hendry County Sheriff's Office says multiple people are ill, including law enforcement.
Yeah, investigators say there's some kind of suspicious element in the area of North Industrial Loop, right off of State Road 29. The Night Beat's Justin Case joins us now live from the scene. Justin, do we know how sick these people are and how they're doing tonight?
Well, we do know it's law enforcement, we do know it's civilians, and we just got an update from the Hendry County Sheriff's Office that 20 people have been exposed to this mysterious substance. Again, we don't know what it is. Apparently, 8 were feeling symptoms, 8 were feeling dizziness, lightheadedness. Some of them were vomiting, and we don't know all of their symptoms, but they had to receive medical treatment. We only know of one who has been released from the hospital. We don't know the condition of any of those first responders or civilians at this point in time, but you can see that this scene is still very active. What we know is that first responders actually got a tip about a stolen vehicle, and they located it at one of the businesses here in this industrial park. So they've been out here all day. But when they were investigating the stolen vehicle, then they noticed a man who appeared to be unconscious in a motorhome. They went and realized it was the suspect. He was unconscious inside the vehicle. And then law enforcement, while investigating, that's when they started to notice the symptoms themselves. Something was wrong, and then they had to call for more help to get medical treatment. So again, it turned out to be an investigation into a stolen car. They found the guy in that motorhome, which also happened to be stolen. But while everyone was investigating it, they said they smelled some kind of an odor. I asked what that unusual odor was. They wouldn't say, they couldn't describe it to me. But again, that's when everyone started feeling ill, and that's when more EMS had to be called out to the scene.
Don't know what their symptoms were. I saw one coughing when I left. And before I could get back to my office, I had to come back because that was when they called for medical assistance, so I didn't see any of that. As far as whether or not they're released from the hospital, I don't know. I have spoken with one that I do know is still at a medical facility. I'm not sure if they're going to release him yet tonight.
So again, as a precaution, Narcan was given to everybody, to the suspect, to all of the first responders and the civilians who fell ill from this mysterious substance. One of the departments out here is from Fort Myers for that hazmat team, came from Fort Myers Fire Department. The DEA is out here, along with other investigations like Homeland Security. Tonight, I am told it could still take hours. This entire area could still be closed off. As you can see, the sea of flashing lights down there they're investigating. Could be hours before they ultimately reopen this area and determine exactly what this substance is. But I am told this community is not in any danger tonight, but they're continuing to investigate. We're live on the Night Beat. Justin Case, Wink News.